How to upload video on Google Drive and share link. Need to upload a video and share it instantly? Here's how you can do that using Google Drive. So first and foremost, go ahead and head over to drive.google.com or open the Google Drive app and then log in with your Google account. Now from here, go ahead and click on this new button at the top left and then select File Upload to upload your file. So go ahead and select the file that you want to upload and then click on open, and the file would start uploading on the specific folder. So from here, click on the video or the file that you have uploaded and then click on this More Actions button at the top right of the file. Select Share and then select Share again. And this would pop on your screen. So you'll find this on your screen. Now, if you want to share this to a specific person, you can go ahead and enter their email into the section and then hit on send to send them an email that you have given them access to the specific file. Now, if you want to share it with anyone given the link, click on this button and then select anyone with a link and then set the general access to your preference. So setting this as a viewer would allow them to view the file, setting them as a commenter would allow them to comment on the file, and setting them as an editor would allow them to edit the file. And that is how you can basically upload video on Google Drive and share a link.